Wow, I think you guys are kind of like looking down on me. Alright, dude, just chill out. You are kind of looking down on me, so I'm going to try and lower this tripod. I didn't really get a view. Seems to be kind of stuck. How's this gonna work? Let me lower these legs for you. Sorry guys. You know, I kind of set it up and went, this'll do really good today. But I didn't really do good today. So, here I have Jessie. Easy squeezing me. Not too bad, but squeezing me a little bit. Because this is... Where's your butt stuck? In a pillow. Righto, loosen up on Mum, please. Oh my goodness, people. Do you hear that? That's some new notification that is on Google Chrome now for when you guys upload or leave me a comment or something along that way. Okay, I've got him off now because he's a bit of a, see? He's a bit of a goofball, my Jess. For, as you would know if you've seen my videos, for his ability to want to grip everything with such gusto when he's out and about. But dude, not happening, okay? It's not happening, as you can see. All I can say is I'm so glad. Not all my snakes are like that. Just this boyo. And he's getting bigger and bigger. You can hear his scales. He's trying to grip so hard. And normally, you know, I get Jessie out. I put him down. I let him go. Because that's what Jessie prefers. So, where was I going with this video prior to him strangling me? And you might think, no, not that way. Not that way. You're not going around that way. No. 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 Not letting you. But, as you can see, he's still such a easy going. Gosh, no wonder Mum doesn't bother kind of doing. It's okay, darling. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Alright? He is just determined. Well, this is a good video. This truly is a good video with this goofball of mine. And he's going to get me in a handlock, break me arm, strangle me, come up under me armpit. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, darling. It's okay. It's okay. You can hear him really puffing. It is Jessie. I'm just gonna hate that word, and yet I say it so often. I'm just going to let him get some leverage of his own here, guys. I'm sorry, but it's really difficult to hang on to Jesse. He does not like it, and I've mentioned this so many times before in videos that he's just not comfortable with being held. He just is not that keen on it. I've tried all different ways, different things. I feel, you know, he's got his tail wrapped around my necklace to make him feel as comfortable and as secure as I possibly can when I've got hold of him. And I have not done anything differently with Jesse as I have done with any of my snakes, and yet Jesse really is the only one that is like this. So if anybody can tell me why is that? You know, Jesse is, from my knowledge, a pure jungle carpet python. He is a very, and as we say, with lighting, it washes out their colours and you really can't see them that well. But Jesse, I wouldn't consider to be a high yellow at all, but he's yellow, certainly yellow, and he's a very, very pretty snake, and he also has a very, very lovely disposition in all that insecurity. And I know it sounds repetitive that I go on about it, but it has bothered me that he is like this, and nothing I am doing for him is changing that for him, apart from giving him the freedom to travel about as he would like to. Certainly, as I hold him a little bit, he settles down, as you can see, but still not wonderful about the whole holding him scenario, but that's okay. As you can see, he is certainly thickening up these days. He's going to be a big boy. I can see that with Jesse. He's going to be one big jungle carpet python, and that probably concerns me a little bit with that weight distribution. I always put it down to that he's just unsure about all of that with his body. I mean, he's brilliant in his enclosure and doing all the things that he wants to do in there. Very agile and cruisy and all the rest of it. He's just not that with me or anyone. With me, he's better than most people, actually. So you've worn yourself out going into such a panic about everything, Dale. And he does. He kind of wears himself out, trying to find placement of his body, I guess, and which part of his body to place where and how and what, and you're coming back up around my neck, are you? But if I put Jesse down, you'll immediately see a difference in him. So let's get Jesse up into the climbing areas, and you will see just how easy breezy he is. And I'm hoping that you will, well, I haven't crimped the leg here, but we will get Jessie going up here. And hopefully, you know, you just see that once I let go of him, he's in control. He's doing what he chooses to do. He loves it. And because of that, you know, it's never ever going to stop me from continuing to get Jessie out. Because I think if I did, his disposition would change too. I keep that trust that I have with Jessie and that bond that I do have with him at this particular point, because I can't even see where I'm at. Because I get him out, because I don't give up on him, because I go, it's okay, bud, I understand that you don't feel overly secure in my hands, arms, or on me, and that you just like to do what it is that you want to do. And you know, that's what I want people to understand, is that, sorry, I'm trying to get this other leg up and it's just not wanting to go with me here at the moment. Here we go. But that's what I want people to understand, that just because you have a snake that might be like Jessie and is not that keen to ever come out of their enclosure, who is a bit of a insecure. Okay, that is the only words that I can use for my boy Jessie, is that he is insecure with being handled. But once he's out and he realizes that he is in control, that it's not me, that he's on his own, feel free, Jessie. Go and explore. Do what you want to do, buddy. I'm not going to harass you now. But I want to get him out, and I want to keep on getting him out. I want him. I wish I could click my fingers and change whatever. And you can hear him. He's still huffing and puffing, because he's still unsure. But he will settle down, guys. He always does. And then he gets his groove on and he'll start exploring. He'll start going where he wants to go in his little curled up tail here. Hey, buddy. Yeah? So, just because your snake might be different, and I would put Jessie in a little bit of a class of being considered a bit of a special needs snake, actually. Yeah, he is. I equate that into when I'm getting him out, and I do the best I can with him. But I can't change him. And so long as he never becomes defensive towards me, that's all that really matters to me. And I know the only way to prevent that from happening is to persist and continue to always get Jessie out and have some time with him. Yeah, just have time with him. That's all I can do. So guys, that's Jessie, my jungle carpet python, who I believe to be a pure jungle carpet python. He's a good eater, loves his food. He does all that perfectly. So, are you okay, buddy? I know you're not really impressed that Mum actually hung on to you today to do a video. You know, I do, when I get him out, I take him outside and I put him on the ground, or I let him go here in the room. Not a huge amount of videos with me actually holding Jessie, but sometimes, yeah, I like to just, and there goes that notification. I'm going to learn how to quieten that down. As I said, it woke me up. It must be some new update going on with Chrome or something, but I wondered, what is that noise? And of course I got up and then I noticed there's all these new notifications going on, instead of the little boxes just staying there in the corner and me having to close them down. They do that automatically now. But guys, yeah, I'll say bye to you and stop huffing and puffing. You can smell Lily. All my mouse snakes can smell Lily at the moment. Take care of yourself, your family, your friends, you goofy snakes. Hey Jessie, all your animals.